Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I had asked you guys on Instagram, I did a poll asking if you guys wanted to see a Valentine's Day look with glitter or plain, like something simple. And I decided to do this glitter one on myself. I am using a Bisou glitter on my lids. And I also did a simple look on my sister, so you guys will be seeing this look right here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. For the most part, my foundation is drugstore. The eyeshadow palette that I used is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I used Bling Boss for my eyes today. And I just really like it. I think this is the perfect look for Valentine's Day. So if you guys are gonna go out for a little date night or whatever, I think this would be the perfect look. And if you guys are going out during the day, then go ahead and stay tuned for my next simple Valentine's Day look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's just get straight into this video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. poreless primer, and I'm going to apply this on my nose, a little bit on my cheeks, and I'm gonna drag it down to my chin just a little bit. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline foundation in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. This was a little too light on me, so it kind of looked a little off because my neck and my chest are a little bit darker, but I really need to go foundation shopping, so this is all I had for now, believe it or not. So I'm just gonna try my best to make it work throughout the video. The next thing I'm going to use is my concealer, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'm going to put that in a triangular shape, and then I'm also going to put it on my forehead with 3 little lines and straight down my nose. And using the same wet sponge, I'm going to blend that out. I didn't show the actual packaging, but I'm using the Airspun loose face powder. I kind of was gonna have a brain fart. I'm gonna use that face powder to set my under eye and to set the rest of my face. The only thing that's different is that I just put it into a different packaging, but that's the one that I'm using today. I'm also going to set my eyelids using this product. To bronze up my skin, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm going to just chisel out my cheekbones, put that on my forehead, and I also put it on the sides of my nose, but I did not show that in this clip. Going in with a smaller, more detailed brush, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the shade Bronzed. And I'm going to go a little bit further in to chisel out my cheekbones, just a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing, go around my temples also. So now I'm going to go in with my eyebrows, and I'm just going to show you guys how I fill in one of them. I think I have about several eyebrow tutorials, so if you guys want to see how I go do those, then I'll try to have them linked down below in the description box. So for today's eyeshadow, I told you guys that I was using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette in the Bling Boss one. I do have the entire collection, but I'm using this one today. So I'm going to start off by going in with Hush Hush, and I'm going to apply that onto my crease as my transition shade. You guys can see here that I went in with a darker shade on my lower crease, like my actual crease, and I actually forgot to show you guys what shade I was using, but I'm going in with Spark, which is the lower left shade, and it's kind of like a burgundy color, and I am going to apply this.
Be quiet.
You be quiet. I am going to put this from the inner to the outer corner. So now I'm going to go in with Mystic, I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to put this on my outer corner, kind of like in the outer V area. And I'm also going to drag that onto my lower lash line. So I'm going to slightly try to cut my crease, and I'm going to go in with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I'm going to apply that with a brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and smooth it out with my finger. I just feel like if I would have gone in with my finger from the very beginning, it would have looked a little bit better. And then for the glitter, I'm also using the NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to be using this Bisou glitter. I don't know the name of it, but if you guys want to know the exact name of it, then just let me know and I'll let you guys know. Because I do have to look for it and I don't have it on hand. Also, this was my very first time using glitter, so it was kind of a mess. If I would have known, like I should have known. Next time I'm definitely going to be doing my eyes first and then my foundation last, because I got glitter everywhere and I thought with the glue like it was gonna work, but the other eye definitely turned out a lot better. So this was the first one. This is the first time I had done it, so just bear with me. Now that I've gone ahead and applied everything, all the glitter and stuff, I'm going to go back in with Hush Hush and Spark and just blend everything out together just to make sure that everything is nice. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on some black eyeliner. I'm not going to do a wing just because I thought that the glitter was a lot, and then I'm also going to apply some lashes, but I totally forgot to show you guys that. So to finish off the look, I decided to tightline my lower lash line using a black eyeliner. And I decided to do some differences because once I saw how bam my eyes were, I felt like my face needed a little something too. So I'm going to go in with this blush from Too Faced, and it's the Your Love Is King shade. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC Other Earthly highlighter just because it's like silver and pinky. I didn't really go in with the bronzer part or like the bronzier shade. I stayed more towards the silver and the pink shade in it. And that's what I used for my highlight. For my lipstick, I'm not sure exactly what it is. So again, if you guys want to know what shade and what brand it is, then just let me know in the comments and I'll answer you guys back right away. But I really did like the way that this look turned out. This is my glittery Valentine's Day look. If you guys want to see something more simple, then stay tuned for my more simple one that I did do on my sister today also. So that look will probably be the one that'll go up next, if not the one after a vlog. So let me know how you guys like this look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.